Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is an exciting one, especially after the two eBay videos I recently did about a fail and then also just advice, things I learned along the way whenever I was communicating with eBay regarding the bag that was the fail, which was the Nikki bag. I'll link those two videos down below. They're hot off the presses, so if you haven't seen them, I do think that you would enjoy them. If you buy on eBay, sell on eBay, or look on eBay, I think that there is some valuable information to be had by watching those videos. Today I have a success story, and it is a Louis Vuitton eBay win, and I'm talking like a major win. I am so excited to share this with you. So another video I did recently was a video about my husband and which bags in my collection he hated. And this was all just in fun. I mean, he really doesn't have strong feelings about my bags, and we kind of went into my closet on a whim so that he could pick a couple of bags that maybe he didn't love the most. And I used him picking those bags to figure out one to eliminate. It was kind of a cool deal because one of my subscribers, and you know who you are, watched that video and saw the 5 bags and told me, if you want to sell any of those 5, reach out to me. I'm interested. And I had sold to this lovely lady before. And so I did reach out to her, and one of the bags left my collection, which left room for this beauty. And I am so super excited that I can show this to you. So the bag that left my collection is the Valentino Rockstud Spike bag. And from another subscriber, Chats with Chris, he just won the giveaway. He told me that the color was cappuccino on that one, at least he thought. And so that bag is on its way to its new owner, and this bag is its replacement. And yes, I was able to cover more than 2/3 of this bag with the sale of the Valentino. So let's get into the bag, and I will show you what I got from eBay. So the seller on eBay, I would highly recommend them, and I believe they have either their own website or Instagram page as well. And if I can find it, I will link it down in the description box. But it came packaged a lot like most Louis Vuitton bags come packaged, in the fact that it's just in its dust bag with no padding inside of the box. But it did come with a bunch of goodies. It came with some special pink citrus ginger bear gummies, and those are from Sugarfina, I think, which is a really nice brand. And it says, Erin, thank you for support. Hope you love and enjoy this. In great health, stay fabulous. Love, TIB team. And so a very nice thank you note. Of course, I've already peeked at this bag. I wanted to make sure everything was okay, you know, within minutes of opening it, just like I did with that Nikki bag. It's good to have evidence if you have a problem with the bag, because then you have recourse. Although from what I understand and with my own personal experience, eBay does have the buyer's back. So here is the Louis Vuitton dust bag. I'm going to set that in the box. Open up what I have inside here. And I feel like I should draw this out a bit longer because this is such a fabulous reveal for spring and summer, but we're going to just go for it. And I should turn it around because I think the front of the bag is on the other side. So here we go. Voila! So this is the Keepall 25 from the Aquagarden collection. And I want to say this was from maybe 2 years ago. It has the eBay authentication on it. This item was listed as brand new condition. So if there was anything in the listing that was not disclosed, eBay authentication should have picked it up. It was shipped to their authentication center first and then shipped to me. And so when I opened it, I knew that it had already been checked over, authenticated. So the seller that sold me this bag, their information is inside. So let's go ahead and pull it out. So the bag itself came stuffed, which is awesome because a lot of times if you get it directly from Louis Vuitton, it does not come stuffed. And I already have a gorgeous pop of mint green from Zumani inside. The color of the bag is actually more of an aqua type shade, hence the name Aquagarden, but I love that bright, beautiful shade of contrast minty green on the inside. I thought the zipper tape on this would be a white, but I am pleased that it is like a pale, pale, pale mint shade. So I like that contrast. And this came inside the bag, but I went ahead and stuck it on. I looped it around so that whether or not the handles were in the upright position or down, it would stay in a nice frontwards facing position. The name of the store I bought it from is the It Bag, and they sourced this bag directly from a boutique, a Louis Vuitton boutique in Florida. So their consignor picked it up. They told me it was like the last one in the country when they got it. And I do have the card with the number on it, as well as a little gift card and a textile type card that talks about what it's made out of. The Keepall 25s come with a jacquard strap, and this one is no exception. I am going to douse this bag with Colonol Carbon Pro, and I know you guys always ask me to show you doing that, but it's nothing fancy. I just spray the heck out of the bag. I don't cover up anything. I will douse the zipper tape with it. I go outside, put a towel down, spray it, and I don't worry about covering up the hardware, but I do take a wet wipe to all of the hardware and then follow it immediately with like a microfiber cloth to clean the hardware off so that I don't leave the residue from the Colonol Carbon Pro on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the strap. I am so excited to like move into this bag today. I've been planning doing that, and I have waited to cut off these tags until I could do it with you. I couldn't find my real scissors, so we have to do it with some like little nail scissors, but I think it should work. Woohoo! She's free of her tags and can be worn now. So now I have two Keepall 25s in my collection. Let me grab the other one. So here is the first. This one is in the Eclipse and the Reverse Eclipse. And this one I bought pre-loved from Fashion File, and it came with some shape issues. And so Zumani kindly gifted me an insert for this one that is double walled. And then the insert I got for this one is not double walled. It is their 2mm thickness, and it came with its structure intact. I did not know how important it was to look for a Keepall that didn't have structural issues of any sort when I got the first one. And so if I had known that, I might have looked a little harder to find one with better shape. But this one, the person who had it before me, I think they just kind of smashed it in a pile of bags, and that's why it lost its shape. It has gotten so much better. Right now it is completely empty, no stuffing, no insert, no nothing. And that shape, it's happened because of stuffing the bag and using this double-walled Zumani insert. So if you want to know the difference between the double wall and the single wall, that's what it is. This one here on the bottom is just a little thicker, and it's also slightly heavier, but barely. And so I use this one in the black and gray Keepall 25 because it just needs a little bit of help. I mean, there's nothing wrong. It asked for it and I gave it. So if you look closely, you can see what I'm talking about. There's some wrinkles right here, and then also right here. The bag itself kind of dents in right there, and the insert does a great job of filling it out. I did communicate with the seller a lot before purchasing it. I asked for lots of pictures so I could look at the alignment and make sure it was all up to my satisfaction, which it is. I love on the Aquagarden how it looks like it has like water spilled on top of the canvas, and it magnifies what is underneath each of those spots. So it's a very realistic water droplet type look. This aqua colored leather wraps all the way around the bottom. It is one continuous piece, and I think it is just fabulous. I love how it's got the water droplet type pattern appliques put on top of the canvas on both the front and the back of the bag. And I think the luggage tag is so cute on these little Keepall 25s. I've decided that this is the perfect size Keepall for me. I love some of the Keepall extra small designs, but I haven't ever seen a Keepall extra small in person. I probably should have asked when I was at the Louis Vuitton store in New Orleans to try one on. but I know how much I love this size, and I don't feel like there's any reason to mess with perfection. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. I guess I should show you the inside real quick without the insert inside. It is just a beautiful aqua colored twill. And I don't know if this is the official name of the colors that I'm saying, but it does look like aqua to me. It's almost the exact same shade as my new Mulberry Mini Bayswater, but I feel like with the pattern on it, it's just a little more casual, and I would pair this with something solid, while the Mini Bayswater, I would tend to wear more colors and patterns with it than I would with this. Speaking of the Mini Bayswater, I did want to have her make an appearance so I could show you how close in shade these two are. They're very, very similar. They both have silver hardware, and I love that because a lot of the Keepall 25s have like color matched hardware, which I don't like. Gunmetal, silver, and there's one aged gold, and I love that one. I'm going to pop that one in. If you guys find that one, let me know, because if anybody has that one for sale or could find me one for retail or less, I would buy that as my August bag because I love it so, so, so much. But it's sold out with Louis Vuitton, and I'm not willing to pay $5,000 for it. Even $3,000 is pushing it because that's over retail. I really like to try to get bags at or below retail, and if you're patient, you can do that. I'm not saying I want bargain basement prices because I want quality and I don't want damage, but if you're patient, you can usually find a pretty good deal on most anything in almost new condition, if not new condition. I got this one for probably about 20% off retail when you factor in taxes and stuff, and I think that that's pretty good. So I put on this blue dress today because of the colors in the bag. Like there's this really pretty blue shade in here, and I still have my gold jewelry on because I wanted to wear my navy blue Effie necklace I got for Christmas, since there's a little bit of navy in the bag. And I also wanted to wear my Ana Luisa linen ring, and I can link Ana Luisa down below with my discount code. I do think I have it set too long, so let me shorten it up. There we go. I think that that is a really cute length, and I'm in love. What can I say? It's a really, really beautiful bag, and I love, love, love this style, even though it's from the men's collection and not the ladies collection. So I'm going to move in to this bag from my Dior Caro. I will be able to move absolutely everything in and add a few SLGs where I use pockets in the Caro and not have one bit of issue fitting anything inside this. It holds everything plus one Diet Dr. Pepper bottle sealed up. It will hold that with all my other stuff. So that's my measure of success, is if I can fit some Diet Dr. Pepper inside. Just kidding, but it is nice. I think that's a wrap for this little cutie. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.